Yeah, righto, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about percentages. Got a message from an educator in Tasmania, Catherine, who's very excited about the fractions last week. I'm sure she'll be even more excited about percentages this week. I am. I love percentages. What I'm going to show you today is how we go from a percentage to a fraction and then to a decimal. It's really quite simple. A percentage is a number that's out of 100, so it's per cent, meaning per 100, cent per century. 35% means, say on a test I got 35%, I'd be less than excited, but that would mean I got 35 out of 100, or 35%. So how do I change that into a fraction? Simply I put it over 100. So for all of these, I go 35% becomes 35 over 100, 29 over 100, and 5 over 100. So straight away, bang, done, percentage into a fraction. Not hard at all. Then to go to a decimal, the next step, what do? If I've got a calculator handy, it would be a good idea. 35 divided by 100. Do that on your calculator, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm sure you'll get 0.35. Now another way of doing that is looking at these two zeros here and looking at your 35 up there, and you march back how many zeros in the number here. March back 2 places for 2 zeros, 0.35. So with this one, same sort of thing. I can march back 2 places and it becomes 0.29. This one here, march back, hello, I haven't got 2 places in my number up here. So when I march back my 2 places, there's 1. I need to fill this place with a 0 and march back again. And this, 5%, as a decimal, is 0.05. Okay? Now, if you want the full proof, you just go, once you get to fraction, you just go top divided by bottom number equals decimal. Or if you want to call it your fancy stuff, you go your numerator divided by denominator equals decimal. Okay. Pretty simple sort of stuff. Now, this formula isn't required when you've got it over 100 because you can march back your places. But if, say for example, my 35 out of 100, I'll just get rid of some stuff. If my 35 out of 100, I had simplified it down to its lowest, its most simple form, it would be 7 over 20. I can't do my little march back thing with the zeros here, so I've got 7 out of 20. Alright, so what I do is 7 divided by 20. Do that on your calculator right now. I'll wait for you. Or you pause actually, and then just hit play again. And you will get 0.35. Okay? So percentages out of 100, moving to fractions and decimals, really quite simple. You've got to know how to do it. It ain't hard. Look back over it again if you need to. Pause, practice it for yourself, and really, like Catherine always says, when you're talking fractions, just get excited. Cheers.